This is what the Nintendo Switch 2 looks like out the box. Switch 2, Switch 1, back. Yeah, here we go. Switch 2, Switch 1. OLED, sorry, OLED. It feels thinner. It feels thinner in my hands. I feel like it sits lower in my palms. But for me, who's 6'6", I got big ass hands. Like, so this is how my hands look when I regularly hold this shit, right? So playing down like this is arduous at times. But with this one, so you see the hand placement? So let's set this up. We're in the US. Any real game, like any real game that you would play that was control heavy, like Hades, after like 30 minutes, my thumbs would be like, nah, son. And not so much on the left one, but on the right one, because of the placement of that second Joy-Con. I don't know my internet password. What the hell? It's updating. I gotta pick my location. I'm in Barbados. With Switch 2, you can play games wherever you want, however you want. Detach your left Joy-Con. What's happening right now? What are they doing? Why are you making me do this? They're teaching me how to use the Joy-Cons. Do you want to connect to a TV and play on a larger screen? I accidentally said yes to this. Later. Skip. As it's downloading that first initial update, it's basically trying to make it, you know, it's a loading screen, effectively. It's like, yo, you know, it's gonna take a little bit, so pardon us, but let us show you how to use the Switch first. Whatever, hurry the hell up. System update complete. That actually wasn't that bad. I am not transferring my system. I'm signing in with a Nintendo account. While you wait, here's a tutorial head ass. You tap the battery up here. It says 69%. Nice. Anyone got a quarter? Anyone got a quarter? No one got a quarter? No? So right now I'm currently scratching. I'm scratching off the code. I threw the code away, my bad. I gotta sign in again. Are you kidding me, bro? Are you kidding? I gotta sign in again? I gotta sign in again? Damn. I mean, at least it's secure. That's for sure. Let me secure when I throw this out the window. A, B, C, D, E, F. Oh, game chat, hit the game chat button. So here's what else comes in the box. We got the new Joy-Con holder thingy. We got the charging brick. It's USB-C only this time. Okay, 60 watts though. USB-C to USB-C cable. This is the dock. This is the dock. Hickory dickory dock. This was my previous Switch dock. This was my previous Switch dock. Obviously, this didn't come from Nintendo. But nonetheless, the reason why I have this was because I didn't like the form factor of the original Switch dock. This one is equally big and bulbous. This shit is big for no reason. So I can't wait till an aftermarket supporter comes up with a way to split the guts in this. Bust them guts up. Bust them guts up. So we can get into a smaller frame. Oh yeah? Oh yeah? Just like the other Switch dock, it opens in the back. AC, HDMI, Ethernet, in that order. Mouse mode. He said try mouse mode. What we're going to do is we're going to see if we could replace our current streaming setup with just this piece and nothing else. Let's see if it works. This is the Switch 2 in all its glory, currently downloading Mario Kart World. And for the comparison, Switch 2 versus Switch OLED. I got a Switch OLED for sale. So if someone, you know, I'm saying. All right, so we're going to plug this in here. We're gonna plug this in here. Oh yeah. Come on, get in there. We're gonna plug this in here. Done. So pretty simple. We're going to plug the Switch, or dock the Switch, excuse me, in here. It don't look like it's charging, guys. Why is it not charging? No locked doors. No locked doors. Oh, I used the wrong charging cable. Genius. I got charging cables out the wazoo. My bad. Let's put this one in here. There it goes. It's charging. It's charging. So now we do this. Here are the new Joy-Con adapters. I was actually interested about this because when I was playing with the OLED and the Joy-Cons, I realized putting them on and taking them off of the console wasn't that difficult. It was the putting them on and taking them off the little clips that come with it. So let's see. Oh wait, hold on, it just said something, but I gotta do this for y'all. So this is what the clip looks like. There's no really attachments at the end. It's all just seemingly magnets. So do I just go like this? No, do I go like this? Wait, no, this is a plus sign. So they have the plus and they have the minus like on the other ones. So this one says minus, so I'm assuming this goes here and this goes. Do I gotta? Oh, okay, so here we go. So you have to hold the switch down in the back. It pushes this up at the top and then it attaches. Actually, that one just went on with no problem. Never mind, I don't think it does that at all. Sorry. Let's take those off and let's see what it said, because it said something on the dock that I think means we got to swap something out. Okay, so I put it on the dock and it said, so when I take it off of the dock, it says, make sure you use the correct AC adapter. So one of the questions I had before this whole thing started was, I wonder if I could use the same power supply as the previous switch. You cannot use the same power supply as the previous switch. You gotta use the new one. We gotta get on the floor behind the wires. Hold on, I'm trying to see if it's different on my different monitor. No? I'm bugging? Y'all can say I'm bugging, and that's cool too. Screen brightness, that's just for the accessibility. Bold text, high contrast, change display colors, grayscale. Ooh, invert colors. Ooh, that shit look crazy. That shit look crazy, chat. I like the dark mode though. I ain't gonna hold you there. I like the dark mode. Oh, we gotta do the audio thing. Oh, don't tell me I gotta get my ass down on the ground again. Mother. To play this game, you need to load the virtual card. What do you mean load the virtual card? Bro, yo, this virtual card shit can eat my, are you serious? I'll be right back. I gotta get my other, god damn. Do the following on the other system. Open virtual cards from the home menu. You know why? Select the virtual cards you want to load. My daughter's Switch is registered as a primary Switch, is my primary Switch on my account. So when I activate it, the Mario Kart game, even though it's not my primary Switch, it's treating it as if this is like a friend's Switch or someone else in the household Switch. So that shouldn't happen for everybody who's using one Switch. All right, let's try it for the last fucking time. This TV supports HDR. Adjust. Adjust the display until the pattern on the left is visible and the pattern on the right isn't. This is how brightness should look during gameplay. Can we just play the game? Finally, guys. Oh, all right, music. I'm sorry. We're finally here, folks. Don't wink at me, you old mustache having ass. Yo, this shit was so stressful. This is my second beer. It took me 2 Michelob Ultras to set up a Nintendo Switch 2. If that ain't worthy of a Michelob Ultra sponsorship, I don't know what the hell is. Let's work, Michelob. So refreshing. Fireballs is all over the fucking place. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. This is it. This is it. We're gonna make our push right here, folks. We're gonna make our push right here. Get out of here. We're gonna make our push right here, folks. We're gonna make our push right here. Shit, 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 shit. We're gonna make our push right here. Our push right here. Come on, come on. Shit. I think you're right, Chelsea. Let's go take a shot.